Okay, so you know what? I'm having a hard time seeing these. I'm gonna just change. I'm gonna make these this symbol a little bigger. And if I can get it to, oh, here we go. I'm gonna make this maybe brighter red, and let's make it a little bigger. 9, and turn this outline color. Okay, there. It's a little easier for me to see it. I've got my little dies on. Okay, so we have one. So let's add some more. Get rid of symbology, and you can see I still have create features here. I'm gonna click on house points, and let's see. I'm gonna click 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And let's say I want to attribute all of them. So in this case, in this example, let's say that we know that all of these houses have 3 bedrooms. So they have the same value. For example, if you have a whole boatload of trees that you've digitized and then you know they're all the same species. I'm going to use the select tool, and I'm going to select by rectangle. I'm going to select all of these. And you can see that over here in the attributes panel, it has 5 different ones. And you can go to the individual ones, and they'll flash briefly. But if you have an attribution that you want to apply to all of the ones that are currently selected, so number of bedrooms, let's say they all have 3 bedrooms, there. I'm going to go ahead and put that in there. Now if I go to number 9, let's go ahead and apply the edits. It doesn't matter. They all have 3 bedrooms. So that's a way to sort of quickly bulk update things. And then we can step through one by one and just say Don and whoops. I guess I should start clicking this and Lisa and Ajay and I don't know Tina and PJ. Okay. Now, when you design the database, you can tell it that what these data types are, and you can also set it up so that certain fields are not. It's not acceptable for them to have nulls. So we'll talk a little more about that next week. Okay, so again, those have all been applied, but we haven't saved them into the database yet. So let's come up here and click on Edit and click on Save. Now I'm trying to do this a little more deliberately than you would normally do, but it is a fairly common occurrence for people to do a whole bunch of edits and then ArcPro, ArcMap crash, freeze, something or other. Somehow you lose the edits. So it's just like voting. You should vote early and vote often. In this case, you should save your edits early and often. You don't have to do it every time, but it doesn't hurt. It just makes it take a little slower. Okay, so we've done points. Let's move on to another geometry type. And you know what? Let's come back to that.